In this video, I'll show you how to upload a video to Google Drive and share the link directly from your mobile device. To get started, open the Files app, then tap the plus icon and select Upload. Choose the video you want to upload and confirm by tapping Upload. The video will start processing and uploading to your Google Drive account. If the file is large, it might take some time, but you can still share it while it's processing. Once the upload is complete, tap on the three dots next to the video file. From the menu, select Share, then tap the three dots again in the top right corner and choose Manage Access. Change the sharing settings from Restricted to Anyone with the link. Now, anyone with the link can view and download the file. Copy the link and share it with the person or people you want to send it to. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.